Good evening everyone there. So this is Abe. Now I'm going to show you a quick application that I've developed. It is still under production, but I think I'll upload it very soon. But for now, it is on GitHub. So this application is called JobAnalyser. So a quick review of it or a description about it. So this application helps you to analyze the job link. So remember, we've been WhatsApp groups and they share links for different jobs to apply on. So this application helps you to analyze that job. You get? So when you analyze the job, it gives all the roadmap from pasting your link and also to where you can apply that job. You get? So it analyzes everything, it captures everything, it gets all things from the data, like it extracts all the information required from the job link pasted on or sent to you or pasted or posted in on WhatsApp or posted on the site, anything. Let's go in. So when you go on and you download this application, this is the interface, but I'm going to first show you how we do it, like downloading it, going through the process. Boom. So now I'm going to go to my web browser. So this is my web browser. So for now I have my my GitHub repository. So this repository is named JobAnalyser. So I've just posted this job. I've just pushed these codes. So you can see the time, it is 1 hour ago. So just made changes in this readme, just 36 minutes. So this is just a readme. When you download this application, you can read. When you go to this repository, because I'm going to share the description of this repository, you can view it and then analyze it, find way of downloading it and test it. You can give me comments, and tell me that this application needs this or it can work, what and what. Then this is just the features of this application. You can just see this is just this. But what we need, you have to go here and download the APK. So the APK is here. When you click on it, it will download. But now I'm using my computer and then the phone is connected. But I have the application already on my phone. I've downloaded it. So we are going to go just to the phone. So the phone is here in the Android studio. So now this is my application. I've downloaded it. Then they are trying to scan it. This is Google Play protection. So they are trying to scan the application. If it has issues, they won't allow it to be installed on the phone. Let me scan it. You are allowed to scan. So if it has issues, bugs, what and what, it won't be allowed to install it. So it will take some seconds. They will scan the app. If everything is okay, especially how it has been packed, that APK, they will give the result and they will install the application. So our application is very, very fine. So Google Play Store protection, they are saying this app looks safe. So meaning it can also be uploaded to the Google Play Store for people to download it. So now I'm going to click install. So I'll install this application on my device. It may take some seconds to install this new application, but if we have passed the other test, meaning the other tests will be also easy for us to pass. It may take some seconds. We have waited and now it has installed. They are saying open and done. So we have those two buttons down here. So I'm going to open. So I'll open my application, so it will start like this, and they are saying JobAnalyser. So when we reach this, it is very, very, very clean. When we reach here, they are telling us to paste a link from anywhere, a job link. So this should be a job link. So when you paste here a TikTok link, when you paste here a YouTube link, AI will flag it out. Other application will flag it out because behind this application there is AI. You have to remember that. So when you paste something that is not a job, like in a job structure, they will flag it out. They will give you a simple friendly error that go and look for a job link. Okay, let's now try and paste here a job link. Do I have some job links? Let me check. Different job links here on my WhatsApp. So this site or this channel is called Job Link. So I'm going to copy, I'm going to look for a job link. Let me just take this. So when I click on it, it will open. Yeah, it will open very many things. It will open very many things, and yeah, and even the site, what and what. Yeah, it has opened well. Then let me just go back here and I copy this link. Okay, why is it not copying? I want to copy it. Yep, it is opening. All right, let me just go back here and I do this. So I'm going to copy it from my phone and I click copy. I'll just go to our application here and I paste that. Ctrl V, then I'll just click decode job. Yep, it will take some seconds. It will decode this job. So now it has decoded it. They are telling us the grants donation relation manager is needed. This is the person that is needed. This is the title of the job. Like this is the title. The one that is being required. It's like a job description. So it is here. This is a job review on this application. So who needs this manager? It is the Uganda Red Cross Society. So you can apply if you are willing. So the job, it is full-time. It is in Kampala. Then mid-level is like intermediate, meaning you can go not much experience or the academic stuff, you can go and you apply. And they are saying the deadline for this application should be sent on this time. Then this is just the about, like overview, what should that person do. When I click on explanation, they will give us the explanation of this job. This is just the explanation. And there is also the Luganda review, because most of the people like Luganda. So there is also this audio. They translate this text, the English text, to Luganda. So it is a text to speech. There is a translator. The way you see Google, you just paste there a text and they change it or they translate it to a speech. So when I click on it, they will tell us that the Luganda explanation is not available yet. So I'll just go back here. Then there is the requirements of this job. They show you all the requirements. Now the skills not specified, what education not specified. So meaning they need someone, not highly educated that much. So now when you go back this side, there is the contacts. If they provided the contacts, you will see these contacts. You get. So this is their email. This is the recruitment email, but this is the site. When I click on this site, you remember the site we were on previously. So this site will open, and it will open the site for a road close. So this is the road close that is advertising a job vacancy. Then I'll just go back to our app. Then there is LinkedIn is not provided. Then the offices are here. So this gives you a direct view of the job that you're applying for. It summarizes the job for you to apply easily. Then when you go down here, the recruitment contact, that is just the secretary of the Uganda Red Cross Society. So sorry, when we go back now, there is also the application. So now this is where the pattern begins from. So there is application letter, there is a cover letter, there is a CV review. So this CV reveals there is AI embedded future or technology behind this application. You just upload your CV, they match it with the job they have analyzed, and then they give you a match. They tell you your CV needs this and this to suit for this job. There is also the CV match score. This one gives you the scores, like it is marked out of 100. So they give you the score of the CV that you have uploaded, and then the requirements for that job. There is the interview question for this job. You can also see, tell us about yourself, what and what. These are the likely questions they may ask you when you are shortlisted. Then there is the tips. These are just the tips for application, tips for this app. But now this is where we apply from. So when you come on this screen, you are in position of applying. So it is titled a cover letter. So when you come here, you just type your name. Let me just say my name is Senkubuge Abe. Yep. Then the application will generate the letter. You get, the application will generate a cover letter automatically. After you typing your name here, the application will generate the cover letter. So we are reducing the time of you now getting the job, going to assume you are traveling. When you are traveling, you have just your phone, you don't have the computer, and you are not familiar with using these Microsoft. So after getting this cover letter, so after inserting here your name or placing or entering your name in that input field, so the next thing, the next thing they will generate for you, a cover letter. So the application generates for you a cover letter. So you can read through this cover letter before applying. But if you are on a hurry, you can just apply because it is okay. Yeah. But you can read through. If you want to edit, you can edit. If you also want to make some things bold, you underline them, you can just underline them. So yours sincerely, Senkubuge Abe. Okay, yeah. So you can either here upload, you can leave that one, then you upload yours from your phone or from your computer. Then you can also download this and then you re-upload it again. So okay, I can save this, so it will be saved. So now when we come here, you can review application where you are sending it. So you are sending it on this. Before we have not attached any document, which is actually not okay, because now when you click on this, they will tell you please upload the cover letter. The other one was just saving it. But now I'm going to upload one. So I'll come to my files here. I'll come to my recent files here. Do I have a Word document there? I don't know. I'm seeing Java controllers. I'm saying readme. Okay, I'll just come to my files here. Let me get from the downloads. Yeah, it's just for testing. This is just for testing, but I'm not seeing any file. But I'll have to get a file. Yeah, I need to get a file here. Okay, let me just take this for demonstration. I can review it. Before sending it, you can review it. Then let me try to review this using this, and I see what is there. This is Senkubuge Abe PDF. This is just a report for my internship. I can't send this. So I can't send this. I can't send this. To send this, it is what? Something bad. Let me get a file. let me test on this. Let me just test, because this is just for testing, but the application will go. And I think I'll cancel it. I need also to add a cover letter. Let me add this as a cover letter. So now they are saying 2 files attached. Then when I click send, now it will allow us to go to the next screen. So this one, for it, it makes you to choose where you want to send, or it makes you to choose how you want to send the application. So you may say I want to send this application via the email, via their portal. I can say I want to visit the company website. If they have the WhatsApp number indicated, I can also, I want to copy and I send this manually. So some, you may say I want to copy and send this manually. So you can just come here and you copy, then you send this manually. Let me just select one, because you have to select one, then you click send. Now let me say send via the email. Yeah, so it will open and you can choose this email, and then you send your letter there. Let me say you can also copy, you can apply via this portal of that company, but now they are saying the portal was not provided. Then you can send via this. If you copy the email will be copied. Let me try to send via the Gmail. So when we reach here, it will just give you this. It will just show you everything here very well. So here it will show you everything very well. Yeah. And the cover letter is there, and the resume, what and what. Then you can just click here, send. Here you can just press this button and you send the email. Yeah, boom. That was how we can now use this application to do everything without putting in much energy, doing a lot of things. And just use this application, then you apply for the job, and if you're lucky enough, you can get it. Yeah, I sign out. Yeah, it will be on my GitHub for some time. Then you never know, I may upload it on Google Play Store and to go there. See you. Bye.